Hello, my name is Koldliner, and well, you all might already know who I am. If you remember my old YouTube channel, congratulations. But now it's time for the reveal. Hi guys, my name's Koldliner. I used to be Ranger Newsly, but now I changed. And sorry for the lighting, kinda sucks in here, so does the audio, but that'll change in a week or two. Next door to me on this wall over here is an office, so I call. And as you see, this is still the same setup as when I originally started, which is kind of sad, but it'll work. But what I am going to start doing is not professional YouTube. I'm not going to try to get paid for it, but if I do, it'll work either way. Now, my goal for the channel is for it to be better than my last. That is a goal that everyone should achieve, but not everybody will. Kinda sad. Kinda not. Oh well. Who cares? Not me. But there's one wrong thing with this. Subscribers. Kinda ran out of subscribers. I had like 6 or 7 last one. That's why I kinda quit it. And so this time it's gonna be a little better. Hopefully. Who knows? Maybe. Huh? I don't know. Now, yeah. That made no sense at all. But, it'll find its way around soon. Hopefully, maybe, possibly. Who cares? Not me. Well, kind of. Definitely care. A lot. About everything. Well, now that you guys know the basic setup, there you go. Sorry, I was thinking about my life, what I was doing with it. A lot of YouTube. A lot of YouTube. And I will see you guys on the Koldline.